Okay, so BLUEVINE just emailed me and let me know that the PPP application was live. So this is for people that have not ever applied for the PPP program, which is me. I knew about it, but I just didn't apply for it. So I'm on BLUEVINE now, and I'm just going to fill out the application, and I'm just going to take you all with me as far as filling out the application. So here we go. I'm making it bigger for you. All right, let's see if I can close this now. All right, so they asked you, have you previously received a PPP loan? No. My first and last name. So put your first and last name. Hopefully this site doesn't crash, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people got that email. The preferred number for you to be called on. Your email address. Then they want you to create a password. Terms, and then get started. Again, I hope this site doesn't crash, because everybody probably got the notice, so everybody probably ran to the computer just like I just did, and it seems like it is crashing a little bit. Transaction. All right, so now I want your business name, your business address, your phone number. They want your EIN number, your annual revenue, the kind of customers you have. I'm a small business. Your entity type. So are you a sole proprietorship, a partnership, S corp, C corp, LLC, independent contractor? Are you self-employed, non-for-profit, 501 organization, veterans organization, housing cooperative, or a tribal business? So for me, I'm self-employed. Did you receive any other existing finances? So they're asking you, have you received any of these? And for me, no, I haven't received none of those. Then you hit next. Again, as soon as I got the email, I got on the site. So I might have a couple of glitches, because I'm pretty sure everybody else ran to the site too. So hopefully not. So far, so good. I'm praying that everything goes great. All right. So now they're asking questions. Have you received a shutter venue operation from the SBA? No. Are you the president, vice president, head executive, member of Congress, or spouse of any other foregoing? Are you the president? No. Vice president, they're asking you, do you own a company, pretty much. Is your business a public company? No, that means you can trade publicly. Me means stocks and stuff like that. Is your business in bankruptcy? No. Has your business permanently closed? Your business should be up and running. You cannot get a PPP loan if your business is closed. Is your business a farm or a ranch? No. Is your business a destination marketing organization? No. Will you use your PP funds for lobbying? No. And this is based on my application. Is your business a news organization with multiple locations? No. Is your business tax exempt, meaning is it non-for-profit? No. Is your business a government-owned hospital? No. Does your business receive revenue from illegal gambling? No. Are you a household employer? So meaning, do you employ people that like nannies or housekeepers? No. Is your business a hedge fund? No. Does your business engage in illegal activity? No. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I guess it went through, so let me see. It's asking me for my Banking information already. Okay. They're also asking for you to attach your account statement. Let's see, it says upload your February 2020 account statement as verification your business was operational on February 15, 22. So that they're asking for bank statements. So you make sure you have that when you sit in front of the computer. Make sure you have your bank statements. I'm going to make sure they have the right account number. Okay. Then it wants you to attach your bank statement, which I'm... All right. So the next thing it asks, is your business seasonal? My business is seasonal. Well, I'm just gonna say no. I do taxes all year, so I'm not gonna say my business is seasonal. The peak of my business is the first 4 months of the year, but I do taxes all year, so I'm gonna say my business is not seasonal. Business start date. Aside from payroll, what else would the loan be used for? So just check what it's going to be used for, because they're going to double check to make sure that's what it's used for. So for me, it's for my payroll, my lease, and utilities. 60% of the loan must be used for payroll. It's going to ask you what industry you're in. I'm in a financial industry, which I don't see. Oh, finance, I see it. I must have went past it. All right, now they're going to ask me what's the average monthly payroll. I did figure this out, but I don't know what I did with that paper, so I'm just going to figure it out while I'm sitting here real quick. Just figure out your average monthly payroll. You take your gross amount divided by 12, which is 12 months, and that's how you come up with your average monthly payroll. Number of employees. Actually, I have one. Number of employees. Some number of employees, including yourself, is 1. You have another employee, it'll be 2. Which time period did you use? Which time period did you use for this calculation? I used my 2019 income because I haven't did my 2020 taxes yet. I confirmed the amount is the average monthly payroll, which is the average monthly payroll. I certified that the principal place of business is in the U.S. Did you get an economic injury disaster loan? So if you got a loan from the SBA, you got to let them know I didn't get a loan. Then you got to let them know how much you owe. This is they'll give you your calculated loan request. And then here it goes, is the applicant or the owner applicant presently suspended? This is going to be no, barred, none of that. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you are not going to be able to get this loan. You don't qualify for the program. So all this is no. I've never got any trouble from the SBA. I mean, none of this is for me. I'm not in jail. I'm right here. I haven't did anything false with anything. The applicant or the owner of the business have common management with any other business? If yes, list the relationship. So basically, if you're entitled to more money if you're in a partnership with somebody. So I'm a solo entrepreneur. Is the applicant a franchise? No, I'm not a franchise. The following information is requested by SBA and with voluntary bearing a loan decision. Let them know if you're a veteran, gender, ethnicity. Applicant is not an agent, and I'm not getting any assistance from this. Applicant is using an agent. Applicant is not using an agent, so I'm not using an agent. I'm here doing this by myself. This one says you're not using an agent, but you're getting assistance from a third party. So you're going to be the first one if you're just sitting here by yourself and doing it and nobody is helping you. This one, if you're not an agent, but you're getting assistance from a third party. All right, electronic signature, finish. Okay, so I'm going to hit the finish button again because, again, this website is glitching. So you might have to hit the button more than once. I hope I don't have to answer these questions all over again. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm gonna have to finish recording this video on my cell phone. So once you got past that screen, the next screen that comes up, it says that we have received your information. We sent the link. No, first it says you're qualified. After you upload, after you get past that last screen, it says you qualify for the amount of loan that you're looking for. After you get that, it tells you to hit the link that they've sent to the email address on file. They just want to verify that the email address is the right email address. Once you hit that link and you log back in, it's going to ask you to upload your 1040 Schedule C. Now, it says they'll accept 2019 or 2020. So if they're going to accept 2020, if you haven't got your taxes done yet, then you should be okay. You can still do your Schedule C. You can go online and do your Schedule C because you can still do the form. You just can't submit them to the IRS. So they just want to see that form. So if you don't have a 2019, you can't upload a 2020. Go on TaxAct, H&R Block, do your taxes, or have somebody do your taxes, and you can upload that form to them, even though you haven't submitted them to the IRS. All right, so I've submitted my Schedule C. I submitted it at $750. All right, and let me see. I'm under review. So this is the last step before they approve you. So they're going to look at, they haven't asked me for an ID though. They didn't ask me for an ID, which is weird because the rest of them asked for an ID, but maybe they'll ask for an ID once you get approved. So right now, like I said, I submitted it at $750, and I'm pretty much waiting for me to get approved. After this step, I don't know what the next step is, so I'll let you know, but this is pretty much the end. So that is how you fill out the PPP application. BLUEVINE, to me, is the easiest one. I went on Lindo. I went on SmartBiz. They're all pretty much the same. Both of those, Lindo and SmartBiz, they want you to upload your full tax return. BLUEVINE just wants you to upload the Schedule C, which is great. You don't have to upload a whole full tax return. And those other two sites wanted you to upload an ID front and back. So it's really your preference. For me, BLUEVINE seems the easiest to me. Again, they didn't even ask me for an ID. And they're pretty much, I'm already done with my application. We're just waiting for my approval, or I know I'm not going to get denied. So we're just waiting for my approval. All right. I hope this was helpful for you YouTubers out there. Go and get your money. Go and get your money. COVID-19 affected everybody. It affected everybody. Even if you was making money, it still affected you because you had to go out in the world with a mask on, or you had to meet your clients with a mask on and you couldn't breathe. So you might have still been making money, but you still had to wear a mask. So YouTubers like me, I actually caught COVID, and it just slowed down a lot of couponing that I could have did on my channel. So it affected everybody. So if you're a YouTuber, go and get your money right now. BLUEVINE.com. This is this BLUEVINE.com. Go and get your money now. All right, I'm gonna upload this video, and I will update you on any other things that's going on. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe is Beauty Passion, and I'm out.